You know, you don't really, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money.
What's up, Dad Squad? So your girl is getting over a cold. I did not have corona, so I'm getting over a cold, but we have another hair review for you guys, so I apologize. I'm not going to talk that much in this video. So we're back. I'm not going to talk that much in this video only because I'm getting over a cold, but welcome to the Dad Squad. My channel focuses on beauty, hair, inspiration, and lifestyle. I love to do vlogs, but hair reviews have become the thing on my channel right now. So that's what we're doing. We're doing a hair review. So we have another hair review from BeautyForever. So this is a V-part. You guys, these V-parts have been popping. Like I said, I'm not talking too much. Make sure you hit that red button below. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video and comment down below. I think I'm going to take this lipstick off, but we'll be right back. BeautyForever sent us over a wig cap. Two wig caps, actually. This beautiful satin headscarf. Some hair clips. And some lashes, y'all. Get into these lashes. So let's get right into this. This is my first color install. So this is a 24-inch Jerry Curl V-part. And you see you have your clips, and your clips. So let's get right into this.
Boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, baby, take it, love me, love me. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, take it, baby, and I say, yeah, love me, love me. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be your rider. Giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we
have stuck it out all the way to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that red button below. Please make sure you comment down below and let me know you all's thoughts. I would definitely recommend this hair. I love V-parts. I love how easy they are to install. This color was fabulous on me. The middle part served me better than the side part. I always like to give a versatile look just for big head friendly people like me. Well, big head people like me. That sounds so harsh, but you guys know what I mean. My forehead is larger than most, so I like to give versatile looks. But make sure you continue to watch the Dad Squad. Until next time, thank you, thank you, thank you.